In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in Microsoft Word. Grouping is a simple way to keep multiple elements, like pictures, shapes, and text boxes, moving and resizing together so your layout stays consistent. This is especially handy for headings with icons, diagrams, or any design where pieces need to stay aligned as one unit. Start by inserting at least two objects. These can be shapes, images, or text boxes, whatever you're working with. You can use the Insert tab in Word to add them, then place each item roughly where you want it on the page. Don't worry about perfect alignment yet. Grouping will make fine-tuning much easier. As you click on each object, you'll see small handles appear around it, which means it's selected and ready to go. Next, click the first object to select it. Now, on Windows, hold down the Control key. On a Mac, hold down the Command key. While holding that key, click each of the other objects you want to include. You should see selection handles around all of them at once. If you accidentally select something you didn't mean to, keep holding the key and click that item again to deselect it. Take a moment to confirm you've got everything you want in the group highlighted. With the objects selected, right-click on any one of them. This opens a context menu right where you're working. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. Look for the option labeled Group in this menu. Hover your mouse over it to reveal the related options. Now click Group again. This final click combines the selected items into a single, unified object. You'll notice that when you click on the group, you get one set of handles around the entire collection instead of each item individually. From here, you can drag them together, resize them proportionally, rotate them, or apply formatting that affects the whole group at once. It's a quick way to keep everything aligned and prevent pieces from drifting out of place as you edit your document. If you ever need to adjust an individual element later, you can select the group first, make your changes through the group, and keep moving. Grouping helps you work faster, keeps your design tidy, and gives you more control over complex layouts without the hassle of constant realignment. That's it. Insert your objects, select them together, right-click, choose Group, and click Group again. You now have a clean, professional grouping ready to move and format as one.